Our philosophies at Boise Prosthodontics are simple. We want to provide a solution that will satisfy somebody's needs. When somebody comes in and meets with us, we spend as much time as we need to up front and at the beginning to make sure we're on the same page, to make sure we as dentists and team members understand what it is someone's looking for. Once we feel like we're on the same page, then we'll gather the information we need to identify whatever roadblocks or hurdles are present in someone's mouth that we need to find solutions to ultimately get them to a solution that they would be satisfied with. Once we do that, then we just sit down with the patient or person we're working with, review the options that are available, and ultimately find one that will satisfy their needs. And that's the way we find success, that we can be happy with the work we perform and that somebody is happy with the solution they chose. It's simple. Our philosophy is using the information we have available in dentistry today to properly satisfy somebody's needs and desires.